All right, let's talk about real estate for a minute. Some people think it's still very much a buyer's market, but in terms of from an investor's vantage point, how do you see getting into the market now?
In terms of real estate as an investment, right now it is certainly much more of a buyer's market, and I think it could become even more of a buyer's market. And that's because we're having very little economic growth in Canada, virtually none, I would argue, probably none. The numbers say maybe 1%, 1.5%. We've got inflation running closer to 3%. So that's eating away at people's disposable income. Incomes are not rising very quickly. Unemployment is sneaking up in Canada, especially in Ontario. We're running 8% plus. The city's even worse. And so you're not getting a lot of wealth created, and we're also getting our interest rates moving back up, even though the Bank of Canada wants to hold them down. And that's because there's just so much debt being turned over in the marketplace. People are demanding a higher cost to money. And so interest rates are going up. So when people are so levered and their mortgages are really consuming a lot of their income, along with inflation, food costs, insurance costs, municipal taxes, I think it's putting a lot of pressure on people with mortgages. And as those mortgages come due, there's going to be a lot of pain. And those mortgages are continuing to come due over the next 12 months. So if you're a buyer, be patient. If you're a seller, you better price your home efficiently and not be greedy so you can get the turnover on that property if you need to sell.